Hey you guys, happy Monday and welcome back to another Masking Monday video where every single Monday I test a different face mask out here on my channel. Typically these aren't first impressions videos and I have been testing the masks for some time before I come do my review and demo, and that is similar to the case of today. Today we are going to be testing out the Peter Thomas Roth 24K gold mask. I've currently been testing out the entire Peter Thomas Roth mask line, so if you guys are interested in checking out any of my previous videos reviewing any of his masks, I will leave the playlist linked down for you guys below. Before this, I had been reviewing the entire Formula 10.0.6 line, so a little bit more of an affordable line. And if you guys have any requests as to which mask line you'd like to see me review next, definitely leave it for me in the comment box below, because I have yet to decide what mask line I want to review next. I'm kind of leaning towards all of the origin masks. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I did actually have someone comment wondering if I could review the Indian Healing Clay mask, which I do actually own. So I'm thinking about doing that review after I finish the PTR line, and then I'll jump into another line. Anyway, that's a super long-winded introduction. If you guys are interested in my review and demo on the Peter Thomas Roth 24K gold mask, then just keep watching. So like I said in the introduction, you guys, we are going to be reviewing the 24K gold mask today. It is the most expensive of the 6 masks in the Peter Thomas Roth mask line. This one I actually got in the Maskaholic set, which was $75 offered by Peter Thomas Roth. It has 5 of the 6 masks, and you get 5 1.7 ounce tubs of each mask. This is what the inside of this looks like. So that mask set retails for $75. Otherwise you can pick this up in a full size for $80. A full size is 5 fluid ounces, and for reference, this is what a full size mask looks like. So this is kind of what they look like side by side. I feel like of all of the PTR masks, this is the one that got the most hype, or that I've heard the most about. I know when the 24K gold really got big like a year and a half ago, this was one that I saw a lot. This one receives 3.2 stars out of 5 on the Sephora website and 4 out of 5 stars on the Ulta website. This does get the lowest rating out of any of the masks customer review wise on the Sephora website, so I found that really interesting, especially considering it's the most expensive. It says that it is good for all skin types, and it is a solution for loss of firmness and elasticity, dullness and uneven texture, as well as dryness. It's supposed to be a luxurious firming and lifting treatment powered by 24K and colloidal gold for an opulent, radiant glow. To read the description really quick from the Sephora website, it says, known from the time of Cleopatra to have powerful anti-aging benefits, 24K gold helps firm, lift, brighten, and calm the appearance of skin. Caffeine helps skin appear firmer and tighter, as well as re-energizing to help reduce the look of aging and stress. Hyaluronic acid delivers exceptional hydration for a more lifted appearance, and this lavish, pampering treatment helps to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin looking silky, smooth, firmer, radiant, revitalized, and youthful. Oh boy. This is formulated without parabens, sulfates, as well as phthalates. And then there's also a little fun fact at the bottom here saying, Peter comes from a long line of jewelry craftsmen, and he himself founded his own jewelry collection in 2015. He was inspired to create this product as he noticed his hands felt remarkably smooth after handling gold while crafting. That being said, in order to use this mask, you want to apply this to clean, dry skin. You want to let it sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off with warm water, and you only want to use this 2 to 3 times per week. One con to this obviously is that it's a jar formula, so if you're going in with your hands, there is a higher likelihood that this will get bacteria in it. I know a lot of people like to use skincare brushes, but I'm not fancy enough for that, so I always just go in with my hands. So like I said, this is what the inside looks like, and as you can tell, it's a thicker, almost like sticky consistency. I do already have cleansed dry skin, so I'm just going to go on like this, and I do really enjoy the texture and consistency of this mask. It feels super smooth going onto the skin. Like I said in the introduction, this is not a first impression. This is actually the second jar of this mask that I have gone through. I had ordered 2 of the Maskaholic sets not a couple years ago, probably like 9 months ago. So I've slowly been working my way through both Maskaholic sets. This is what it's going to look like on your face. It kind of just looks like you have super, super glowy skin. Like maybe I would go shopping like this. Just kidding. So it's 8:02. I'm gonna go rinse my hands off and I'm gonna let this dry down for about 10 minutes or so, and then I will come back on and show you what it looks like dried down before I rinse it off and give you my final thoughts. Alright guys, it is 8:13. It has been about 10 minutes, just over, and this is what the mask looks like. As you can tell, it just looks like gold glowiness dried down in your skin. I actually really like the way that this looks dried down. I like a really dewy look. But obviously I'm not going to go out and do anything with my face looking like this. I'm going to quickly rinse it off with warm water, and then I will return back so you can see the final results and we can talk about what I really feel about this mask. Alright guys, so this is what my face looks like with the mask washed off. Overall, I really do like this mask. I think it's a good mask, and if you can get it in the Maskaholic set, which you can, unless they change it, I mean, I think the Maskaholic set is a really good value. Would I go out and pay $80 for this in a full size? Probably not. And part of the reason for that is because I feel like for good results with this, you have to consistently use it at least 2 times a week. For me, I like to experiment with masks. I love to use sheet masks, which I often use rather than using a mask that I have to put on and then rinse off, etc., etc. So for me, if I want to see results, I need to use this consistently, which I'm really bad at doing, in order to see kind of like the firmness. I think my face looks really nice and smooth out after using this, maybe a hint firmer. So if I had like a party or an event or a concert, I would probably use this before going in with my makeup for the day. I think it does a really nice job of firming up the skin short term to give you like a really nice canvas for your face. My first jar of this, I was really good at consistently using this 2 times a week, and I saw pretty decent results with the overall firmness of my face. At that time, I felt like my face was really hydrated. I felt like I did see results, but in order to see really good results, you do need to consistently use this 2 times, if not 3 times a week. So if you're willing to make the investment and you're looking for those type of results and you feel you can consistently use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, then I think that this would be a good mask for you. I, again, know myself. I know my preferences in just mask type, and I find it so much easier to just toss a sheet mask on as I'm watching like the Housewives or vacuuming. It's a lot less work, as sad as that is. It's a lot easier for me to use sheet masks, so I know me personally probably would not consistently use a full size of this to make the $80 price tag worth it. Now, I am definitely not opposed to buying another Maskaholic set and getting some use out of another mini, if you will, like this. So, those are kind of my thoughts and feelings about this mask. I do really enjoy having this around, again, for days that I have events and I want to start with like a really nice, hydrated, plump, firm canvas. I like that for this. But I'm just not going to consistently use this from day to day. So those are kind of my final thoughts about this mask. If you guys have any questions that I did not answer in this video, definitely feel free to leave me a comment down below and I would be happy to get back to you, and I'd be happy to get back to you with an answer. Other than that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.